Rob from Word of Mouth Floors here in one of our showrooms slash warehouse. So I apologize for the little extra noise and me wearing my winter jacket and my Tim Hortons morning coffee. Okay, so question that comes up is, if I buy flooring from you or from anywhere for that matter, if the product shows up and there's no installation instructions, you know, I've bought vinyl, I've bought laminate, I've bought engineered hardwood, whatever you've bought, what do you do? So that's actually pretty common. I'd say over half of the boxes, brands or no brands, a lot of them do not provide installation instructions. Some of the bigger brands will actually have them on their website, or they may email them to you. There is some other ways that you'll get them, but they don't tend to be in the box or on the box. So what do? So there's actually standardized installation. And the reason that people don't put them in all the boxes is because there is standardized, generally accepted installation principles in North America. Well, for around the world for that matter. So every time you're going to install laminate flooring or vinyl, for instance, and it's a click lock, there's the same suggested installation instructions for everyone. So you might get it from NWFA, National Wood Flooring Association, and I'll do a blog post and I'll put the link to that. And those are standardized, so you have to do your subfloor prep the same everywhere. You have to use the same tools. You need to have the same installation instructions. You need to have the same leveling. You know, when you're installing, you know, you don't butt up against the wall because it's a floating floor. So no matter which supplier, which factory has made the product, there is a standardized, accepted principles for the installation. So never worry that if you buy some flooring, whether you buy it from Word of Mouth Floors or someone else, it doesn't matter. If it doesn't come with a set of installation instructions, don't panic. Either reach back out to the company you bought it from, or do a quick search, you know, either look on my blog here or, you know, NWFA, there is standardized installation principles that you follow, and then you'll have a successful installation. Thanks very much. Have a great day. Word of Mouth Floors, Rob. Check it out. Enjoy your coffee.